YouTube friend named Tom Wilcox requested I make this video, so I did. However, Mr. Wilcox, we're going to do it again. None of the footage I really got except that picture-in-picture shot, which we're experimenting with. None of it really turned out. I had it too bright, which is a new thing. So when I got all that bark off, the maple just turned to a white blur. So we're going to come back to it. We're going to do it again, and if nothing else, at least I'm dulling my chisels so we can do that test.